Looking to earn while you sleep? Here are the top 5 passive income investments in Canada for 2025. Number 1, you have dividend stocks. Invest in stable companies like Canadian banks or utilities. They pay out regular income and you can hold them inside of the TFSA for tax-free gains. Number 2 is REITs, real estate investment trust, lets you earn rental income without owning property. Then you got great for hints of exposure to that. It is great for It is great for hints of exposure to the housing market. And number 30 got his high interest savings ETFs. These track cash and pay interest monthly, perfect for a low risk income while you're keeping your money liquid. Number 4 would be covered called ETFs. They generate extra income from stock options, riskier, but they're really great for yield hunters. So peer-to-peer lending would be fifth. I mean, lend money through regulated platforms and earn an interest. Just be sure to spread your risk. And yeah, build a mix that matches your goals and let your money work for you. If this helped you, like, subscribe, and comment your favorite passive income strategy. Yeah, until then, I'll catch you in the next video.